Apple, we're going to be cooking a local fish dish that's cooked in lime juice.
Yes, it is called Hinava.
Uh-huh.
Hinava is a traditional native dish of the Kadazan Dusun people.
Yes.
In the state of Sabah.
Fantastic.
Yes.
And what type of fish is this?
This is a mackerel fish. First, we put in the mackerel fish inside the bowl.
Fantastic. And you've just cut it really, really thinly because
thinly.
we're not actually cooking it on the heat. We're allowing the acid to cook the fish.
Yes, that's
Beautiful.
true.
Yep.
The second ingredient is the lime juice.
Okay. Lots of lime juice.
Lots of lime juice.
I love dishes like this. It's healthy, it's fresh.
Fresh. Justin, can you help me to put the chili, red chili?
Okay. You've got 2 varieties of chili?
Yes, we have the small one is a little bit spicy than this one. So,
Okay, a mixture.
yeah.
Whoa, that's a lot of chili, Apple. Enough?
Do you like spicy food?
My spice is probably different to the way you like your spicy food.
Okay. Shallot, sliced shallot.
Okay, lots
Put
of
it,
shallot.
yes. Grated ginger.
Ah, so I've noticed, so this is like a ceviche, but it's usually all about the fish, but you can see here all the other ingredients are very prominent too.
Yes. So we mix it together. Keep mixing. Can you smell the shallot?
Yes.
Taste of the lime.
I love it. And you can see the fish starts to change from that translucent colour to a white colour. It's fantastic. And what's this over here?
This one is a bitter gourd.
A bitter gourd. Can I have a taste like this?
No, don't. You can
'Cause
taste
it's
it after this. It is bitter. You have to put it after this.
Okay, this is very interesting. I love learning about new ingredients and new recipes so I can take it home and make it for my family.
Yes, that's true.
And this is it here, the bitter melon. And you've probably seen it. You can see it sometimes at markets. I've never known how to cook with it, so it's very, very good that you're showing me.
Yeah. So it is one of the new ingredients that you can learn.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Okay, Justin, can you put the salt?
Salt, yes. So a pinch of salt.
Yes. So we mix it together.
Uh-huh.
Lastly, we can put the bitter gourd.
Okay, now it's time for the bitter gourd. Sprinkle that in. And I've noticed that you've cut that really finely. You don't want it to be chunky.
Yes, that's true. So once we mix it all in, it is ready. Justin, can you pick the bowl up?
Fantastic.
And we will put it in.
Okay, I love this traditional way of serving it in the bowl. And the fish doesn't need to be completely cooked. If you want to marinate it a little longer in that lime juice, you can do that.
Yes,
for all
and
the flavours to absorb.
yes, that's true. And then we can marinate it inside the chill box.
Yes, put it in the fridge.
Yes.
And that is a stunning local dish. Simple, very few ingredients, showing off some local vegetables and local fish.
Yes, that's true.
Apple.
And you can do it when you go back.
Can you come back with me too?
Oh,
You
no.
cook for me?
I'll be inside your luggage then.
Okay, let's go.